Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? In today's video, I will show you how to cut your own hair at home. We are going to do receding layers starting with curtain bangs. And in the end, I will show you how you can style it. So please watch till the end and make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you like my content. So without further ado, let's just get into it. Now as you guys can see, my hair has grown very long and the ends look so dehydrated and lifeless. I just couldn't wait to finally cut them off and give myself a makeover. And on top of that, all hair salons near my house were closed, so I guess that left me with no choice but to cut my hair by myself. So I will start with the most important step, which is sectioning my hair. Proper well-defined sectioning is very important for a haircut to turn out good. So if you're planning to cut yours or someone else's hair, make sure to section it well. I'm doing mine from ear to ear with the middle part that will go all the way to the back of my head. That way I will have 4 sections to work with. I am using section clips, but you can use any clips or hair ties that you have. Next, I'm going to brush my hair nicely and get all the tangles out and spray them with water. If your hair is not dripping wet, you're not doing it right. By doing so, it will help make sure that there are absolutely no tangles and you will get a pretty even cut. So I'm going to start cutting from the front section of my face because that will give me a guideline to follow towards the rest of my hair and help me decide the length I want. I will section a triangle out and comb it and spray it with water again. This triangle portion on your head is what defines your face frame because this is a part of your hair that falls directly in the front of your face. It is the same triangle for everyone that hairstylists usually cut bangs from. For sectioning it out, you can just use the pointy arches of your eyebrows as a guide. Just make sure it is centered properly. So when you're about to cut, check your neck posture. Always look straight ahead or a little bit upwards. Cutting while looking down is a mistake that you want to avoid because the length you're trying to go for gets shortened when we're looking down. That is why sometimes people mess up when they're cutting their own bangs. So after the cut, I will comb the section clean and cut the ends like this while holding my scissors vertically. This will give a natural sort of unfinished finish look. I will be doing this to all the sections. I decided to wear an apron because I didn't want to ruin my favorite shirt. Now I'm going to take this small section closest to my face and a small section from the triangle that I just cut and combine them both. Spraying with water again, I'm going to take a section only so big that I can hold comfortably between my fingers. With my head straight, I'm going to hold the section at an angle and make a tapered cut, with the front section as my guideline. So that the new section is a bit longer than the first one, I am going to give a final trim in the end to make sure that all sections look good and there are no strays left. To check if you have cut it right, comb your hair and hold them sideways using your comb, and they should look something like this. Now, taking the next section, I'm going to combine it with this section I just cut, and I'll just take the apron off so you guys can see my hair better. Spray and comb. Also, note that I'm holding all the sections at the same angle from my face. Now I'm bringing my hair to the front and making a vertical cut. This way, when I let go, my hair will fall in layers. I will continue this process for the rest of this side until I reach the back of my ear and repeat the same on the other side. This is how it's supposed to look like from the back when it's all done. Some people also call it a V-shaped cut. So V-shaped or layers, remember this is the goal we're working towards. Sorry for interrupting the song, but if you're doing this, make sure to keep checking both sides to be equal. Here's a tip on how you can do that. So hold the opposite sections from the top and slide your fingers down at the same speed. If one finger slips off before the other, you need to cut the longer side a little more. Just like this. Now my right side, is definitely a little bit longer than the left. But I, for some reason, couldn't see that in the mirror, and it got recorded so clearly here. But I will fix it by the end, I promise. Here's the thing, when you're doing this haircut, you just have to keep checking and making sure both sides are even until you're finally done. So the front is done, I'm starting on the back. I left the last piece out of the front section to help me with the length that I need to cut off of here. I'm going to take vertical sections again, the exact same way that I did in the front, and just keep going until I reach the middle part from both sides. So just remember, spray, comb, angle, and cut. Spray, comb, angle, and cut. This is basically all you need to do. So there are two ways that you can style this haircut. First is like this, so you can either blow dry or use straightener, folding in outward direction, and the other way would be to fold it inwards. Okay, so do you remember this look of Rachel from Friends? This is exactly how it will look like when this haircut is styled by folding inwards. I will post a tutorial for this look in my next video, and if you want to see the other one, do let me know in the comments below. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, comment down below. I will be very delighted to help you all, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye!